It's me, McKenna, and today I'm going to show you my house. So, let's go. So, over here is like the mudroom, or where they would get ready. But I mean me and my sisters. Anyways, so there's a baby, just some random stuff, shoes. There's actually more shoes in there. And just where they get ready to cast in crutch, and yeah. So then, okay, I like to walk weirdly. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. So, I might as well just show you guys, because that's just a little awkward. So over here is just their ladder to their bunk bed. And this one is Stephanie's bed. This one's Sarah's. And this one down below is McKenna's. Then over here they have their holiday rug. They have markers and a whiteboard. That's supposed to go beside that, but oh well. They have just some signatures and other stuff. A card, which I have no clue why it's down there, and a little seat that I made that I just taped shut and put some fabric in and fabric over it. And then we have their Christmas tree, which me and my mom are going to get an extension cord to plug it in. So there's the Christmas tree. And they have some clothes. Okay. Sorry. They have some tables to eat on, so they can just sit on their bed and eat. They have some foods, just some games, and I think this is where their glasses are. Yeah. And then over here is a piggy bank, some drawers with McKenna's gym bag in it, like some games and some hair ties. And then this, I do not know why there's a drink in it. That's from the American Girl sleepover set. Here are some pins, and this is from my Froggy Stuff tutorial. They're, color pencils and paintbrushes. So check that out on my Froggy Stuff's channel. Here's a wrap. McKenna's journal. Just words in it. So yeah. And if you want to find out more, watch part 2.